For each project created in CPM, a new accounting folder is created with a first current job progress status ready to be filled in. The main working document of the accounting is the accounting measurements, which, once completed, will generate all the reports from job progress status to payment certificate. Let's see together now how to insert measurement in the accounting for the first job progress status. To use an item taken from the project price list, open the task pane on the right and open the project price list node. Look for the items and drag them into the accounting measurements. For a more precise research, you can open the Crossfinder tool and write the text to search. Then, drag the item in the accounting measurements. If instead you want to copy a row from estimate into the accounting measurements, press this button. Look now for the row you want to copy and drag and drop it onto the accounting measurement. You can paste the row without modifying the estimated quantity, or you can indicate a percentage or a fixed quantity. Each row in the accounting measurement is automatically assigned to the current job progress status. Accounting measurement can be directly inserted into the grid or can be detailed in the Measures tab. In any field, you can type a direct quantity or a simple or complex formula. To add a row between two existing rows, right-click and choose Add. To enter negative quantities, right-click and choose To be deducted. To insert an image, open the Image panel and right-click Load. Let's see now how to insert time and material lists. Open the Management and choose Add. Insert the description and modify, if necessary, the dates that are automatically suggested, that is, a week from today's date. Indicate the percentage of overheads and business profits. Open the List Measurements panel, where you can drag items from the Help pane on your right. Or you can pick them from the Active list in the Articles field. Then indicate the daily quantities and, if necessary, modify the unit price, for example, if the activities take place in unusual times or days. Thank you for watching this video.